Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make ginseng serum at home. First, gather your ingredients: fresh ginseng root, a high-quality carrier oil like jojoba or almond, and a natural preservative such as vitamin E oil. Sterilize all your equipment, including jars and droppers, to maintain purity. This preparation ensures a safe and effective homemade serum for your skincare routine. Next, prepare your ginseng. Thoroughly wash about 50 grams of fresh ginseng root to remove any dirt. Then, thinly slice or grate the root into small pieces. This increases the surface area, allowing for better extraction of its beneficial compounds. Let the prepared ginseng air dry for a few hours to reduce moisture content before the infusion process. Now, let's infuse your serum. Place the prepared ginseng into a clean, sterilized glass jar. Pour about 100 milliliters of your chosen carrier oil over the ginseng, ensuring it's fully submerged. Seal the jar tightly and store it in a cool, dark place for 4 to 6 weeks. Remember to gently shake the jar every few days to help the infusion process. Finally, strain and store your homemade ginseng serum. After the infusion period, strain the oil through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth to remove all ginseng particles. Add about 10 drops of vitamin E oil to the strained serum. This acts as a natural preservative and antioxidant. Transfer your finished serum into a dark glass dropper bottle for optimal storage and easy application.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.